Why do you bring sand to the temple for the Songkran days? Let's check it out. Happy Songkran Day! Hello everyone, I'm Chetuphon from Bonchuu Thailand. This channel will help you to discover all about Thailand. Please like and subscribe our channel. Now we are at Wat Pho, which is one of the largest and oldest temple in Bangkok. It's world famous for the temple of Ling Buddha, and it is also well known for the birthplace of Thai traditional massage school, and which is still taught and practiced until today. Do you know what is the Songkran Festival? Yes, sure, it's very famous. Songkran is celebrated by everyone and everywhere throughout Thailand. Songkran Festival is the traditional Thai New Year's during 13 April until 15 April for the 3 days. It is a celebration by using water as the means of expression, embracing goodwill, love, and thankfulness. We all know that the most people splash water to each other, but it is not only for splashing water. Songkran is also an important custom for Thai family and Buddhists. Songkran is a time for people to travel and return their hometown and spend time with their family. So Songkran is also a family day. And today we are going to show you another activities that most of Thailand must do during the Songkran Festival. That is to bath Buddha and forming sand pagoda in the temple. And let's go! During the second day of Songkran Festival, after families spend time together, several Thai people come to temple and carry the sand to build the sand pagodas. The making of sand pagodas in the temple is a tradition of Thai people belief to bring back sand to the temple to compensate for the sand that they may have carried away on the bottom of their shoes over the past years. And the sand that we bring today will be used by the temple all through the years for deserve the construction. And today, the sand pagodas will found only in Thai and Laos during the Songkran Festival only. What you should to know before visit the temple in Thailand is the dressing. The visitor are expected to dress appropriately in the temple. For the women, you have to wear the skirt or pants, long cover the knees, and also the men, you should wear the pants that long cover your knees also. Be careful. And thank you very much for watching the video. If you like, please give a thumb up and subscribe. And see you in next video. Bye!